Hey guys, in this video we're going to check out how to tell if perpendicular lines on the coordinate plane are perpendicular. Okay, so just a quick refresher on what is perpendicular. So perpendicular just means that when two lines cross, they cross at 90 degrees. Okay, so if you look over here, this is an example. These are not perpendicular lines because they do not cross at 90 degrees. All right, so the first thing, before we jump into perpendicular slopes on a coordinate plane, we first need to understand this idea of the opposite reciprocal. Okay, so what is the opposite reciprocal? That is, so say you have a number like 2/3. The opposite reciprocal is -3/2. So how you make an opposite reciprocal is you need to flip-flop the numerator and the denominator. So do the reciprocal or the inverse of it. And then you need to change the sign. So if this is positive, then this will become negative. All right, let's try one more example here. So say you got -5/2. What is the opposite reciprocal of this? So the opposite reciprocal would be bring the 2 up here and then the 5 down here. And if it's negative here, then it's positive here. Okay? So if we check out the graph here, let's look at the slope of this. So the slope of this is 1, 2, 3. So -3, 1, 2/2. So the slope of this is -3/2. And then the slope of this one is 1, 2. So we go up 2 and then over 3. So the slope of this is 2/3. So we see that it's opposite reciprocals, right, to form the perpendicular bisector, or just the perpendicular lines. In this example, we're going to check out, are the lines Q and M perpendicular? So step 1 is you need to find the slopes of both of them and then compare it to see if they're opposite reciprocals. So let's find the slope of Q. We got a dot here, a coordinate there, and we have a coordinate here. So let me switch to orange. We got 1, 2, 3. So we go up 3 and then over 1. So the slope of this is 3/1. And then the slope of M is, let's get this going here. So we go 1, 2, 3 over 3 and down 1. So that's -1. So the slope of M is -1/3. Okay, so if we compare these two slopes, we see that they are opposite reciprocals. So yes, they are perpendicular. Cool, so let's check out one more example where they're not perpendicular. So here we have a coordinate here, and then we have a coordinate, where's another place right there? So this goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we go over 2. So the slope of C is 5/2. And then the slope of D is, let's see, we go down 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go down 2/4, which is -2/4. And we see that comparing these two numbers, they are not opposite reciprocals. So no, not perpendicular. Okay, is there one more example here? Nope. Okay, so try out some problems on this. You guys try it out and use the opposite reciprocal concept, and I'll see you guys in the next video.